Taekwondo will leave it for Kitely. Possibility from the set piece. Green and Collins have all gone up there. Will be Kitely's delivery. Oh, in! Whipped in, and Gary Breen got a touch on it. And Wolves take the lead. Runston. Luton trying to fashion a response here. Emmanuel. Oh, deflection! And Luton are level. Lewis Emmanuel brings Luton to terms. It's a dangerous one and in! It's Barnett who got the header. And Luton have turned it around. It's Collins who made the challenge. Oh, it'll fall for Kitely. It's got to be, surely it's Keogh. Terrific drama here at Kenilworth Road. Kitely's shot saved by Beresford, but Keogh pouncing on the rebound. Well, is there still a twist? It's Henry's effort. Oh! Disaster for Beresford. And Wolves lead again.